Amadi gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Amadi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Today I have a little bit of a challenge for myself. I am going to be dyeing my hair, my luscious jet black. So that's what I'll be doing today. I was so nervous, y'all, about dyeing my hair jet black because of like TikTok videos and YouTube videos. Everybody saying that their face and their skin kind of got irritated and swelled up. So I tried my best to find something that was the healthiest option for me. It's vegan and it has coconut oil in it. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, this is semi-permanent too, because if this does not turn out right, I am going back to brown. And this little bit of color that I had on the tip or whatever. We're going to speak into existence that this comes out right. I also have some styling products that I'm going to be using in my hair, but I may chop that up and put it in another video, so just be on the lookout for that. Not going to talk much in this video. I'm probably going to do a voiceover, but for the most part, I got my Netflix here. Went ahead and separated my hair into 4 sections prior to, this was last night actually. Went ahead and washed my hair, put it into 4 sections. So it's no product at all in my hair. Got to let you guys know that I got the number 2, the color 2 in Black Noir. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. But yeah, let's get right into it.
If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by. Used to use the negativity to get high, but now the comments we reading can ruin our lives. Why? It used to be easy back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though now it's lobster, all on top of my pasta, I can still feel locked up, like the head of a roster. Cause they'll take your soul from right up under your nose and make you feel like you did it just to obtain your goals. Oh yeah, it's good when you get it, but it don't last that long. Cause I promise you can't take it with you when you gone. That's why I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we can learn from other people's failures sometimes. I used to make believe and tell a plethora of lies. Now I see how actions take effect on my life. Cause I don't even have a portrait of this family of mine. I used to be speeding back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though I got options, every tree in this garden, I can still feel lost, cause every day I wonder, yeah. Will they take my soul from right up under my nose and make me feel like I did it just to obtain my goals? I mean, it's good when you get it, but it don't last that long. Cause I promise you can't take it with you when you gone. That's why if I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much.